A really common question I get asked when I'm selling a pellet stove like these is what routine cleaning is needed. Today I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to clean your pellet stove at home and to ensure it burns efficiently. For demonstration purposes today, I'm going to concentrate on the Nordic Fire Tjallmo. As you can see, I also have the Klover Soft 80 right beside it. Both of these stoves share the same burner, so the exact same cleaning is required. One piece of equipment that I will always advise a pellet stove owner to purchase is an Ashvac. This is going to make your routine maintenance much simpler and cleaner. So let's go ahead and start the cleaning of this pellet stove. The first step to take when cleaning out these stoves is to clean the heat exchanger. This will be found on the top of the stove above the door, and you can clean this with using the small key provided with your fire. The build-up of ash on the heat exchanger will then fall into the fire, ready to be vacuumed. Next, we can start to vacuum the burner and the grate area. Start by cleaning the top of the area and proceed to remove the cast iron covering ring and the grate, ensuring to give the whole area a good clean. Now we can clean the ash pan area. Start by undoing the bows that secure the ash pan, and then proceed to clean the ash pan area with your vacuum. Also note, we recommend you completely removing the ash pan and cleaning the area behind it of any debris. How to clean your glass is a very frequently asked question we get, and it really could not be any simpler on a pellet stove. You can start by simply using some dry kitchen paper to rub off the light dust on the glass. If however you find some more stubborn stains, simply use some household glass cleaner to remove the stain. We feel it is always worth giving the pellet loading area a quick vacuum to ensure that the door works correctly. And we also recommend looking into the tank when refueling and cleaning for any foreign objects to block the auger and that might damage your stove. This has been a quick overview on cleaning of the Nordic Fire Tjallmo and the Klover Soft 80. We always urge our customers to please refer to their manual if you have any other further questions on the maintenance of your stove. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any further questions, please leave them in the comments below, and thanks again for watching.